Now that the tasting is over, let's get to the results. Personally speaking, this, for me, is the most important task of the competition.
Remember that 3 of you will coast and 3 of you will go from the frying pan to the fire.
Akanksha and Nishtha, please come.
Nishtha, great thought, great ideology of putting a lot of things from Maharashtra in a small thali on a truck. Expression was lacking. Akanksha, brilliant idea, brilliant colors. The food was jumping out and talking to us. Nishtha, the choice sometimes is between accuracy of the foundation of cuisine, which is the balance of the rasas, the balance of the 5. Sweet, sour, salty, spicy, and bitter. Akanksha, the colors were all there. The balance was there as well. Akanksha, you're safe in coasting. Nishtha, from the frying pan, fallen into the fire.
So I'm in the elimination again, yet again. But I hope I come out of this because I've actually got a hold of the truck because I've been in the elimination so often. So yeah, let's hope for best.
Tanisha and Yogita.
Both, again, the youngest in the competition. Tanisha, your dish was an elevated version of a dhokla, the only thing that you knew of in Gujarat. It had some interesting flavors, the tamarind glaze. It brought that dish alive. That chili on the top was inviting. Yogita, you didn't complete your dish, but you attempted to make a taco for the first time. And your makhani sauce and chicken tasted good and were well balanced.
Tanisha, today you made me really proud as a Gujarati.
Yogita and Tanisha, yours were the 2 best food truck dishes of today. And with a little bit of bias and a pinch of salt, I'd say, if that dish would have come through, it would have been better than Tanisha's. Good food is only good if it's served to the right person at the right time. Yogita, you fall from the frying pan onto the fire. Tanisha, you're coasting again.
That's for making pancakes almost every single day. I guess it pays off.
Juhi, Chitwan, please step ahead. Juhi, what you put on that plate today was not lal mas.
You had Andhra Pradesh to represent. You had an entire state full of spices. The Hyderabadi biryani is something that you've made before. I could get the flavors. I could feel that I was eating a biryani in Hyderabad.
Chitwan, your dish had arancini with a twist on biryani. I find that very exciting as a thought. I also loved the fact that you sprinkled these rose petals. It's a food truckish dish, elevated.
Chitwan, your dish, that biryani arancini, is going on my menu in the next change. Juhi, your version of lal mas is going on my menu tomorrow. You're coasting.
The only thing that I've ever eaten in Rajasthan is lal mas. I'm very glad I'm safe today. So I really feel bad for Joni because I think she could have done better. But I'm sure she'll come back.
Sorry, Chitwan. You go from the frying pan to the fire.
I disappointed myself today, so I think it's the right place for me. No problem. Being in the bottom 6 is disappointing, not because I'm in the bottom 6, honestly, it's because I didn't do my best today. So my game plan for tomorrow is to do what I know best, and I think I can't go wrong with that.
Roller coaster. That's what the last 2 tasks in Fem Foodies have been. The best have been beaten and the underdogs have risen. Risen once again with a resolve to prove a point.
Ipsita, Megha and Tarana will join Chitwan, Nishtha and Yogita in an epic battle tomorrow. So let's welcome Ipsita, Megha and Tarana.
All right, you 3 are the stars of the comeback week.
Ladies, brace yourself. Tomorrow will be an epic battle.
We started off the task by saying you had to change the face of food truck menus in India. And let me tell you, you made a fair contribution. Well played, thank you, well cooked. Well, that's it from the Drop Zone tonight, but the competition continues to toast our contestants in so many challenging ways, making them better every day. Yes, tomorrow's going to be another day, and we will be waiting for you. Don't go anywhere. Eat healthy, stay healthy, take care.